So I'm honored every year to have this guest. I can't even go. I can't. No, there's no zoom lens. Where'd my little bird go? He's getting ready. He's going to show us his new studio. The workshop for the heavy duty tools. I'll just show you a negligent. Haven't planted my tomatoes. Irises are coming along. It is no Movember, so the lawn is high and the kale is flowered because the bees have to eat something. Do you remember the pilings that I showed you perhaps a year ago? I'm using an iPad. There's no zoom. And there it is. The workshop. Tell us what you're doing, Jeff.
Well, as you can see, we've got 4 corner posts up.
Yes.
Braced.
Whoa. The ditch. Careful.
They're not all connected.
Okay, so that.
Together. And these are the beams here on the ground.
Pardon? The beams? Oh, for. Okay, and you've got a slope like the studio roof. Yeah, the other. Can I go through here?
Yeah.
Right. That's art. Whoa. That's the neighbor's yard.
You have to be careful when you walk around.
So today you did this last one. Do you want to tell us how you're making sure they're stable with
Here's a test case.
Okay.
See this here?
No. Wait.
That is
Yes.
the top of an 8-inch long nail. They drilled a hole in there.
Okay.
And it goes down into this beam down here.
Okay.
So that's the main
I see that now.
technique
It's
for connecting the post. Plus
I see.
it's got some other couple nails.
Right.
For now.
Anyway.
There's going to be a lot more
And then
nailing
it's
up
braced.
in there.
Anyway, and these braces remain. This isn't just construction. Sorry about the camera work. I'm not used to this. Using this camera. Oh, yay! All the garden tools are in one place. Finally. Well, anyway, next time I show you, you will have these things up there,
I hope so.
and that on top of it, and these so far. How much money have you spent on this project?
$22 on nails and bolts.
That's it.
Yeah.
Pretty good. All right.
So far.
Yep, so far. While I'm at it, I'll just show you the state of the iris. Isn't that pretty?